It's no secret that recent Huawei smartphones do not come with Google mobile services. With Google's ecosystem becoming near universal in all smartphones, we challenged ourselves to use the Huawei AppGallery in our daily tasks to see how easy it is to switch to Huawei's platform with the Huawei Nova 7i. Now, what is the Huawei AppGallery? Essentially, it's an app distribution platform the same as the Play Store or the App Store. In just a short time, the AppGallery has risen to become the third biggest platform in the world, with around 180 billion downloads and 390 million monthly active users. There are already a lot of apps that you can download in the store, but here are just some to boost your day-to-day productivity. Let's start our journey into the Huawei AppGallery with the apps we use every morning, news apps. It's important that we keep ourselves up to date with what's happening in the world every day. Currently, local news apps that are available are GMA, ABS-CBN, and CNN. Downloading apps from the store is as easy as launching the AppGallery, typing in either of the three apps, and clicking on Install. Getting updated about your friends' activities or posting that all-important first meal of the day are also easy since Facebook is now available in the AppGallery. Like with our news apps, just search Facebook in the AppGallery, download the APK, and click Install. If you need to message your friends directly via Facebook Messenger, you'll need a few workarounds. First, visit one of third-party websites and download the APK. Once done, just click on Install and you'll be able to access Facebook Messenger. If Instagram is more of your preference, you can also download its APK from a handful of websites and install it on your Huawei smartphone. From there, you can start posting photos of your beloved cat on your account. Upping your photography game is also easy with the AppGallery. Currently, the platform houses a ton of photo apps for you to use. Some of the apps you were able to get were Camera 360, PixArt, PhotoGrid, and Mix. Again, if you can't find the app you prefer, you can most likely install the app by downloading its APK from a number of sources. Once you're done browsing social media, you may want to reply to some emails for work. Most of us use a Gmail account for receiving and sending emails. Though the 7i and other Huawei smartphones don't have GMS, you would be wrong to think that they can't access your email. Thankfully, the Huawei email app can integrate a number of email accounts such as Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and other popular email services into a single, coherent account. Huawei email comes pre-installed in all Huawei smartphones. Just access the email app on your smartphone, follow the instructions, and put your details to log in. Once done, you can access your email accounts in just one app. Local banking apps are also being ported into the AppGallery, making it easier for you to manage your accounts. At the moment, the platform houses BDO Online, East West, Gcash, PayMaya, and Union Bank. Just download the app you need, and from there you can manage your money and pay bills from the comfort of your own home. From managing your own money, let's move on to apps where you can shop. Two of the major online platforms in Southeast Asia, Lazada and Shopee, have ported their apps over to the AppGallery. Just download them into your Huawei smartphone and enjoy browsing their daily deals and monthly sales. When it's time to unwind at the end of the day, you might want to play a few games to relax. Huawei has an expansive library of games, but if you want to play more popular games like PUBG Mobile, you'll need to download its APK from third-party websites and install it on your phone. Though this 7i doesn't have Google mobile services, you can still play online with your friends. This workaround also works for MOBAs like Mobile Legends or casual games like Wordscapes and Candy Crush. YouTube is closely tied with Google, which means that the YouTube app isn't available on the 7i. There is, however, an alternative access to the site. First, open the browser and type YouTube on the search bar. Once the site has been loaded, you can log in via the browser itself to access all the stuff you're subscribed to. If allowed, the browser will also keep your credentials so you don't need to log in over and over again. To quickly visit the site, add YouTube to your home screen by tapping the 3 vertical dots at the top right. These are only a handful of apps that allow us to do our daily tasks and keep us entertained throughout the day. With more and more developers carrying over the apps to the AppGallery, we expect that the platform will only grow from here on out. But let's quickly shift our focus on the phone we have been using to explore the AppGallery, the Huawei Nova 7i. Launched in the Philippines just a few months ago, the Huawei Nova 7i packs some serious hardware in a mid-range package. It comes with a Kirin A10 chip with 8GB of RAM, which allows you to play, browse, and multitask with the best possible performance. Inside its flashy exterior is a 4200 mAh battery to keep you charged every day. If you ever find yourself in a tight spot, however, the Nova 7i can be charged quickly thanks to its 40-watt supercharged charging. Capturing images is always an important factor when it comes to smartphones. Luckily, the Huawei Nova 7i has a great set of cameras for you to enjoy. Leading the pack is a 48MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP bokeh lens. These cameras allows you to take every shot you want, from high-resolution photos, close-ups, portraits, to wide-angle snaps. With an ever-expanding library of apps available in the AppGallery, as well as the powerful hardware inside the Nova 7i, Huawei is offering a lot of value for 13,990 pesos, so long as you can adapt to the platform. If you want to know more on how the Huawei Nova 7i performs, you can check out our full review on our website via the links in the description. Of course, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you like our content, consider subscribing. It would help our channel a lot. Again, thank you, and see you all in the next one.